It.
Hey, it's Alpha and Combustible Lemonade.
Hello.
We've decided to have some fun. Kasia, we're live streaming right now. We decided to have some fun with Godot free and make a game together. And just, we have no idea what we're gonna do. So we thought we're just gonna jam and maybe something interesting is gonna come out. I was thinking about maybe making some 2D game with multiplayer in mind to play around if we can both play the same game. I don't know. But first we need to set up a friggin' GitHub repository. GitHub.com. No, yeah. I just need to log in because this is, I'm using the wrong. Okay, let's make a new repository. I'm gonna call this jam-01, and I'm gonna. No, what the hell is that? Game jam. Make it public. We can make this like.
Yeah, add the README. That's probably a
MIT
good
license.
idea.
I don't know.
Yep, MIT is probably great.
Add a README. All right.
If it has a git ignore for Godot, that would be nice too.
Ah.
Well. Doesn't really matter.
Okay. I wonder if I can show you my screen more like.
I can see your screen on the stream, so
yeah, but
it's
there's
not
a little
quite
bit of
real time,
delay.
but
yeah, you know, once we set up this VPN, we could use X11 VNC. That's going to be faster. Okay, I'm going to send you the link to this repository. Now I'm going to
create a Godot project.
Create a Godot project. I am going to make a directory, call it jam-01. Nah, not alpha, jam. And I'm going to start Godot, make a new project, call it jam-01, and paste the path I just created. OpenGL ES 3.0. Yeah, we want the...
Yeah, probably the latest version.
Yeah.
We're not making a mobile game.
No. At least we haven't decided about that.
Have you heard about Raid Shadow Legends?
Oh, this video is brought to you by Rape Shill Legends.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, so
we're making real video games.
I think I will now clone this repository on my disk. So I'm gonna go git. First, I'm gonna go git init to create an empty repository. Now I'm going to do git add and just add everything in here. This is the empty Godot project. You said something about some git ignore. That should be helpful.
It probably won't matter that much since Godot already works pretty well with Git. So don't worry about it. Like we can fix it when problems occur.
Okay, so I'm making an initial commit with these files. Now I'm going to go. Oh, I need to set origin. How do I set origin? Yeah.
What do you mean?
Git set origin. I need to set remote repository. I mean remote server. So I can actually sync this up with the Git.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I see. All right. It's Git remote add origin. And now I just paste this URL, and this should git pull. Now I should see that. Okay, git pull master origin / master. I mean, nope. Huh. Maybe I didn't. Okay, git push. Git push set upstream. Okay. Now we type the thingies. Okay. Maybe now if I do git pull, it's gonna... If you wish to set track information for this branch, you can do with git branch set upstream to origin / master. Oh, did I misname the branch master without R? Set up to track. Okay, now git pull for refusing to merge unrelated histories. Oh, of course. You know what? I think I'm gonna do this one more time. I am going
probably easier if you just clone it and then create a project in there.
Exactly. So I'm just gonna clone this repository. Git clone. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be so much easier. Now I need to recreate the Godot project. So I'm gonna close it. And reopen it. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna try and open it. Maybe it's gonna load. Okay, it's kind of something not... The default world it didn't... Ah, merde. No, I think I broke this. I think what I should do now is rename this to something else, create a project which is completely new. Gem -01, and I'm just gonna copy the files. What the hell?
Just click browse.
Oh.
The folder gem01 does not exist. So
okay.
You'd have to make that. You should just
okay.
remove that. Yeah.
I see now.
Gem01. Yeah, right. Now it works. See?
Okay. I'm gonna now close Godot. All I wanted was these default files that I can now cut and paste here, overwriting the old ones. I'm gonna remove that. Rename this to the original thing. And now we should be good to go. I'm gonna git add everything. Git commit message empty Godot project. Git push.
Okay.
And this worked. So now, if I refresh this,
right.
We have the empty Godot project, so we can pull this. And now with push and pull, we can actually...
Yep, I got it. I got it on my end.
Have a project. Hey.
Nice. Okay.
Now,
you scan it.
Yes.
And we have Gem01. Yes, I got the project. I'm in.
Cool. You said something about a VPN, so we would have like a virtual LAN to test networking.
Yeah, let me try setting that up. Yes. Maybe you could already set up the scene. my VPN in... Where am I going?
Shibidi-bidoo.
I can't put it in Warsaw. I put it in Berlin. That's nice in the middle.
Oh, somehow I close it. Don't know why. I don't know why.
Oh, I can put it in Warsaw. Yates. Go.
I'm using 0-tier, but I have no idea how to set up a different VPN, so it's gonna probably take me a while to get on with it, I guess.
Yeah, but only one of us needs the VPN because only one of us needs to host.
So how do I connect to you then?
I'll give you an IP. I hope that works. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe the VPN I'm using actually implements its own firewall. But
if that fails, I have a different solution might work. What Linux distribution are you using, by the way?
just plain old Ubuntu.
All right. Maybe 0-tier would be easier in that regard. I have it already set up, and it's just you install a package, you execute one command, and you're in. And you have a virtual
For some reason
LAN.
it doesn't want to connect.
Reep-a-deep-a-deep. Maybe I will invite you to a 0-tier network. We could try this as an alternative route. And it possibly could be just easier. Nah. Whoa. Oh.
Yeah, it's not working for some reason. Maybe we can try your solution.
Okay, I just need to... I need to send you an email with an invitation. Okay, I sent you an invitation email. I'm gonna...
Yeah, I got it.
You'll need to install a 0-tier 1 package for Ubuntu, probably. And then you should be able to join a network. I'm gonna add myself to this same network.
Okay.
Because I made a new one.
I don't see a 0-tier package in Ubuntu. Oh, I'll just look at the download page. Never mind.
Yeah, they probably in Arch Linux there is something, but
okay.
Okay, I joined this network myself. I'm gonna see. Yes, I am in this network as well.
Zero tier 1, fatal error, cannot bind to local control interface port.
You might need to.
Okay, I'll do the command. Never mind. No, missing authentication token and out token.
Yes, you need to start the service. So it's so it's the systemctl.
Systemctl. Yes.
Systemctl status 0 tier -1. So you need to basically start this or enable it if you want it to start automatically. But we're just doing this one time, so you might just want to start it. So systemctl.
It says it's active and running.
Okay, then 0 tier -cli. Okay, basically you need to run it as sudo because it needs to change something in the system configuration. So,
okay.
And that's where you can do 0 tier -cli join.
Okay. 200 join. Okay.
Yep, you're in the network.
Okay.
Now I will authenticate. Oh. I'm gonna check a box to that means you are allowed to join this network. You should appear here soon. I'm gonna refresh this page because okay, you are there. I'm gonna call you CL. Now you have a managed IP. Oh, for some reason, I think I need to do the same thing on my end because so join. Okay, I think for some reason, even though I added myself from the web interface, it didn't. My computer actually didn't like communicate with the network. Okay, now we're both online and we both have our IPs in this virtual local network. So I'm going to send you my IP now.
Okay.
And nice. I'm also going to try and ping your IP. So now I'll ping this. And I can ping you. So now we have virtual LAN. So basically, if we want to make a multiplayer game, we just need to use these two IPs to connect between each other and everything goes through.
That's pretty fancy.
I mean, we can make rules. By default, there are some limitations, just, I don't know. Or no, I think there's accepting everything. Like by default, the rules are just let all the traffic go through. Actually, we could set up something like an SSHFS to directly access the same directory instead of pushing and pulling from GitHub. But maybe that's less safe because we can mess things up for ourselves.
Let's just do it the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, let's push it through the repository. It's going to be safer.
Okay, let's begin.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe we could like start really simple with a cube that we can control with the arrow keys or something like that, and that will appear on the other player's screen.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So you want to go 3D?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right. So let's think. You want me to create the main scene?
Yeah, just 3D note, and then, like, I'm not actually sure how the multiplayer works, but you've worked with it already, right? Or you've looked at it at least.
I've looked at it and I seen that it is relatively simple, but I'll definitely need to look up all the stuff as we go. But I have some understanding of how it should work. By the way, we could set up a VNC viewer so you can see my screen quicker.
I'm already seeing it pretty quickly, so it's if it's like a lot of effort, please don't waste time on it.
Not much. I just need to run X11 VNC, and you need to use a VNC client like Remina on your side.
Remina.
Just
oh yeah, for remote desktop.
yes, and just type in my my IP that I sent you.
Okay. 1 second. Let me get it. Oh, that's nice. You can just like. No, I cannot connect. Oh, VNC. Sorry.
VNC, not
VNC.
RDP. Yes.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Okay, I guess you can now move my mouse too. Yeah, you can.
Oh, nice.
So now just no, give me mouse back. So now just make it like view only. So it.
Yeah, sorry. I need to find the option for that.
And I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a snappier response than just looking at the stream. So it's gonna be easier to work.
Yes, but I have to find how to make it view only.
I could do the same thing on my side. Actually, I could even live stream your screen this way.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Minimize windows.
So it would be too small for anyone to read anything if I just crammed in 2 screens. No, you're still grabbing my mouse.
Yeah, I'm trying to find the option, but I can't find it anywhere.
I'm gonna.
Webinar doesn't seem to have it. Like I don't see an option for it.
Okay, let me.
Preferences. No. Oh, view only. I found it.
Yes.
Does it still affect your mouse?
No, my mouse doesn't twitch now.
Okay.
Do you want to do the same thing? You need to install X11 VNC.
Okay. Hang on a second.
The good thing about it is that it doesn't start a new user session. It shares the existing one. All the other VNC servers I tried create a new session, which is not what I usually want.
This actually works surprisingly well. Like I've had a lot of trouble trying to connect to Windows computers that were hosting a remote desktop.
Oh. I didn't have much trouble with this, usually.
Okay, I'm burning as well, so you can.
Oh, cool! Now I can do the same thing. Just need to. What is your IP then? Okay, I have it here.
You should have it.
I have it here because X11 VNC told me who connected. So now I can VNC.
This is gonna be trippy.
VNC.
Wait for it.
There's VNC listener plugin. I wonder if that's. Słucham? Aha. Wait, where's the. No. No, that's. I think that's something else. Okay. Yeah, that's why. Advanced view only. Okay. Yep.
Whoa.
I think it didn't. I think it crashed. VNC server connection closed.
1 second.
By default, the X11 VNC server exits after the connection is broken, so you will need to restart it.
Oh, it says it's still running on my end. Let me retry starting it. X11 VNC.
Yay.
Yes, it's running again. Or again, it was already running.
All right. For some reason, it is not working on my side. But I guess you could share your screen via Discord to me.
Oh yeah.
That could be some way to do it.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Now I have Discordception.
Yep.
Yeah, this stream is super random. But this is dev alpha, so what did you expect?
Oh, diatonic and chromatic.
Oh no.
And Freeman's mind as well.
Yes.
Wow.
Everything.
Nice.
Everything. Okay. I see your screen now.
Yep.
Okay, you're reading up on the multiplayer.
Yep.
I'm gonna maybe make a simple level. And a simple player. Actually, the player is going to be a kinematic body. Oh. Okay, I'm going to rename it to player. Okay, so level, I'm going to create... maybe I could use CSG. CSG combiner. Okay, let's try it. Never used it, actually.
What is it?
Constructive solid geometry.
Oh.
It's a rapid prototyping tool where you can make level geometry or other things out of primitives that are being...
Is this native Godot?
Yeah.
Oh.
This has been in for a good while.
Oh.
It was a big news. Okay, now if I can...
missed that.
I'm gonna do this subtraction. Okay. So you see now I can super quickly make some level geometry.
That's
now,
really cool.
Use collision. I wonder if it's gonna provide like static collision. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna add a rigid body. Give it an area. No, collision shape. Sorry.
And a mesh. Collision shape and a mesh.
Yes.
And they have to coincide somewhat.
I'm gonna make it a box.
Yes.
And give it a mesh instance. Make it a cube. Nice. Okay, now we should have a rigid body. If I press F5. Okay. I need to save this session. I'm going to call this game. It's going to be the main one. Yes. Of course, I don't have a camera, so I need to add a camera. And this camera is looking in a bad direction. I'm going to preview the camera. Okay, that should show us if it's... No main scene has ever been...
Just select and then...
Yeah, this is the main scene now. All right, we have level geometry with collision already. Super quick. Wow. This is the first time ever I use CSG. Literally, I never ever use these nodes. It's so easy.
It looks like you're like a professional in the industry who just flunks together a level like it's natural. I think that's like a testament to how well it has been designed.
Yeah,
like it's very intuitive.
Yes, it's amazing. I love it. Okay, so we can make a level with this, basically. We can have a box, and now we need a player. So the player, I guess, could be I'm going to move the player up. The player... I think every player will need his own camera. We could make this... What do you think? Should we make this like third-person perspective with the camera behind you, or like first-person?
Probably first person is a little bit easier.
Okay. So I'm going to make a collision shape. I'll make it a capsule. For some reason, it's always rotated, so you need to... wrong axis.
That's the wrong one.
Yes. Oh, that's better. Maybe I should do it the other way around. Actually, it doesn't really matter. So we have a...
Un contrôleur de caractère.
Yes, we have a player with a capsule. Now, this is going to be probably a bit... It's maybe a bit big, but whatever. Let's give it also a mesh instance. And let's make this the same capsule, so that we just can see what is going on. -90. Now, that's a pretty random shape. And now if I F5, it's going to do nothing. And that is because we need to program all the logic ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to now like work on actually making this player respond to movement and like work with gravity. Thankfully, I have some experience doing that because it's not super easy.
Could you push this?
Yeah, I'm gonna save this. O, dziękuję. Moja kochana. I got some food from my lovely wife. Lovely wife! From my lovely wife! Kasia can hear you. You're on a speaker.
Well,
very
it
quietly.
probably was a mistake to not make mint tea before we started.
Snap. Okay, I'm gonna... Yeah, I should probably do this like in 5 different commits, but maybe I can do just one. What do you think?
I mean, just make one commit now so I can follow along. Like this is not like a AAA game studio making like a super intensive game. It's just
initial level, CSG level, test rigid body. Okay, git push. Snap, of course. Alrighty, it's up. You can pull now.
Nice.
We'll have
I
the
got
same
it.
project. Hey, awesome. If this VNC worked, that would be so cool to like show your screen as well.
You have me in the Discord, right?
Yeah, I do. I could include that in the stream, so the quality is a little bit worse. But I could do that. Let me set it up in OBS. I'm gonna.
I think you didn't add everything, because it says here that no main scene has been defined.
Oh snap! But
let me check if it isn't my fault. Git status. Oh no, that's my fault. Never mind.
Okay. Yeah, because window capture. I'm going to. Discord. Where is Discord?
Okay. Nice, that works.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, in the meantime, I'll try to work on networking code. Is that all right? I'll like make a script.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Fantastical.
Right. So I'm just gonna make a like master script on game.gd. Let's create it. Whoa, that's very zoomed in. There we go.
Okay, now I'm streaming both of our screens together. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Because also you have this ultra wide screen. I think I will crop. That's what you get when you stream this kind of thing for the first time in your life. Ah! No, that's not what I wanted to do. Ah, shit. Ah! Okay, that's the thing. Okay, now all I want to do is just crop. No, it's gonna be rough. Maybe I will also make your screen slightly transparent. Color correction. I wonder if there's alpha. Oh yeah, there is opacity. Okay, I don't know if that actually makes any sense that I'm streaming your screen as a transparent overlay on my screen. Maybe it has. Ideally, we would stream like in 4K.
Yeah.
2K. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna close the door because there's lots of noise. I can see that networking code flowing on the screen. Wunderbar. Now I need to program the player movement. And also, okay, the player's gonna be at the camera. Do we want mouse look for this game?
Yes.
All right, that's gonna be a bit more difficult. Okay, let's make a script now. Yep. All right, we need a physics process now. Gonna make a constant of gravity. And now this movement isn't going to be very refined because actually I spent many days refining movement in any game I made. It's going to be a bit quick and dirty, but
yeah,
we're slapping something together, not doing super extra designs. Okay, so I want to make everything a function. Of course, what I need also is x and y negative equals gravity times delta. Now this should only occur if we are not touching the ground. Otherwise it's going to be glitchy. Well, let's try it. I don't actually see any results. Oh, of course. Actually, I'm not very sure if this is a good idea. I shouldn't be applying the delta twice. Okay, this should now... I think it worked. Basically... Basically, the gravity is way too powerful for this. Yep. All right, we've got. Oh yeah, we should actually not use that. We should use move and slide. Oh, velocity is going to be velocity. Up direction is going to be vector 3 dot up. Stop on slope. I'm not going to bother with the rest. And this should give us already a behavior where we don't fall through the floor. But it didn't work. Why? Try it again. Okay, maybe I will make the gravity more. Maybe it's just too small. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Could you do the move and slide maybe via an RPC call? So like this.
Yeah. So this would be move and slide, then velocity and vector 3 up. I guess, or do the arguments have to be in one array, or?
I think, one second, let me look it up.
I wonder if it executes already. Nope. Okay, trying to call an RPC while non-network peer is active. Well, yeah.
No, you can probably just pass them not in an array, but just consecutively, like with commas between them, right?
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
Each next argument is just the next argument in the list.
Maybe I should, like, there should be a way to do this so it would work both in networked and non-networked.
It does work non-networked as well, I think.
Like, well, on my side it shows that RPC is trying to call while no network peer is active. So
okay.
Maybe if I initialize only like at least
yes. Let me just push my code and then we can try it. Okay.
All right. I can push mine as well.
Okay.
If you want.
Then we'll do that.
There can be only one. Git commit. Damn, I lost my... I hope no one can see your passwords.
No, they can't.
Okay.
I mean, I don't have a key indicator currently running, so they shouldn't be able to see it.
I pushed my changes.
Why does it not work? No. Sign in, please. Thank you. Okay, so that is the password, but somehow it doesn't want to push.
I have no idea where is the live stream YouTube window.
There's a conflict. Okay. Let me just game dots. Yep. Okay. I think this is going to be consecutive. I have to change the ID over here. Would that work? I hope so. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make.
Oh.
I'm gonna maybe make.
Okay. Where is? Oh, there's the camera. Okay, it's doing something. Yeah, let me push this first.
I'm gonna set up basic movement keys.
What?
I think I should do this differently.
Do I have permissions to push?
Oh. Ah, man. Yeah. You won't have them by default, even if that's a public
Please
repository.
give them.
Yes, sorry.
I'll be right back. I'm back in like a minute.
Sure. You've got right access.
I'm back.
All right.
Oh, I've got right access. Nice.
Yay.
Yay!
Okay. Okay.
Yo, what?
Walk.
Are you sure
About the right access?
that I have right access? Yes.
Well, pending invite.
Oh, maybe I should accept it also.
I think that could be it. Yes.
Okay. Accept invitation. I get it. Yes. Yep. That's
yeah. Now you are a
it.
collaborator. So. Okay. Now we need to define the walk direction. So, if input is action.
Yes, I pushed something. Maybe you can try putting it.
Okay. Weird. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna save it right now. Git pull. Okay, I've got some conflicts. Nothing important. Oh, the import. I think we should add this import, or I should add this import too. Actually, I could just remove them on my side. Git Aram import. What? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Yay! Great.
Very nice.
Now I wonder what that's gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna also connect. Okay.
Come on.
Okej. Tak. No. Nie strumię kamery żadnej, tylko głos. Miał.
Czyli to widać?
Widać to i widać kawałeczek tego.
A Jon?
I on jest tam.
A Jon słyszy?
Tak.
Hej Jon.
Hello.
Lubię Jona.
Git commit message more player movement code.
Oh.
Git push. Nah. I've pushed my changes as well. Let me see what you've done. What do you have here? Actually, I don't see anything that you've made. Oh, you made a game GD. Oh, yeah. That's the thing. Nice.
You see.
Shouldn't it be, or are you loading it like as is this script loaded anywhere? Game GD. Oh, in your tree it's loaded on the game node, but on my side it doesn't seem like that.
Okay.
I can attach it manually.
Then maybe fix that, and I'll just pull from you.
Maybe you didn't commit that change.
I committed all.
Okay.
But I remember having on my end that it had game.gd on both of them, because I did have a commit or a. Well, I mean, just fix it and push it, and then I'll pull, and then it should be all right. Like Git is magic. Don't question it.
Everyone, friendship is magic. Okay. All right. It's there.
Okay.
It's there. Bam, 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 bam.
Nice.
Oh, okay. It's move forward, then walk direction.
Very nice.
Huh. Now, which one is which? Huh, you never know. I think it should be axis X. And then I should just copy this 4 times, and now it's move backward. Nah. The cool thing about this kind of logic that we reset the walk direction every time and then add to it with every key is that if you hold down left and right buttons at the same time, you're just gonna stop. Otherwise, if we did like if, then if you held down all the buttons, you would move like forward and right or something, which wouldn't be.
Yeah. Then there's an order of precedence.
Yes, and with this, we don't have an order of precedence, so it's just... Okay, axis. This should be... Which axis? Let's make this left. Make this right. I'm gonna print this player walk direction to debug, to make sure that this vector is what I want it to be. And let's try it. Okay. All right. Something not. What did I do? What? Invalid operands. Vector 2 and integer. Wait, this doesn't give you a vector? What? Okay, that's just weird. Well, all right. Just gonna... My goodness, I forgot how to define a vector. Okay, 0. This is up. This is right. And that should be it. Nah. Actually, I will move these to the bottom. And now we're gonna have this thing. Oh, I know. I think I can just go vector 2. Oh, it's vector 2. What am I doing? Okay. I think I need to look up which... Oh my goodness, I can't see anything at all.
Uh-huh. Right.
Coordinate system. I think it defines x. Positive y.
There we go.
Coordinate systems. Oh, we need 3D. Okay, I really don't know.
Okay.
Okay, look direction times dot x. Okay, x is gonna be forward and back, I guess. So forward is this. And it's just gonna be that. Y.
Okay, let me just push this. Good.
Oh. It's not changing appropriately on back.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it's because I
Could
just...
you?
All right, it's working as X.
Could you maybe try putting it?
Okay, I'm gonna also save and push
Yep.
my changes. Git
I'd pull first because I already pushed.
Yeah. Oh, I pulled, but there's nothing there.
Oh. There should be something there. Oh shit! I should push first. Git push.
Yeah. Nah.
1 second. Yep. Now you can pull.
All right. Pull in. Merge. Okay. Gain GT. Okay. I'm also gonna push now. Let's see what changed. This is network magic.
Are you running it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
I am running it now.
Have you pulled for me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna try something. No. Does it say we have connected successfully on the bottom in the debug screen?
I don't know because my... Yes, it does say that. I just need to disable my script spamming the console output. I'm gonna restart the game. Oh, so we are already in a network.
No, doesn't work yet.
Okay. Because then, like, each client needs to spawn 2 player nodes because, you know, and assign them.
Or we could both just hassle over control of the same player.
Yes. I'm going to split maybe the player into a separate branch, a separate scene. I'm going to call it player.
Are you running it right now?
I am.
Okay. No, it's not connecting. Could you check? 1 second, I can see your screen probably. Could you select the game node? Game.
Yep.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, you've exported some variables to control this.
And you're a server. That's correct. The port
Yeah.
is correct. Well, the IP is not correct, but you're a server, so that shouldn't matter. So connection doesn't work for some reason. Probably because I made a mistake somewhere, but I should figure this out probably.
All right.
Yeah, maybe the port should be a. Should the port be a? Yeah, a network multiplayer.
Git status. Git add game. You know what? I'm gonna start using TIG as like a stage, and now you press U to add U and U. Now can Q git commit. Now git push. I've pushed a change separating the player into its own scene on disk. That should be easier to instantiate players and assign them control over for every network peer. I wonder if you could maybe all right, I think I'll get working on this.
Could you maybe change the server port to 10,574? Because I think maybe 9999 is like used by something, so it's
10,574,
which is just a random number, but
okay.
It's probably not used.
I'm now gonna run the game.
Yes.
It says we have connected successfully.
Okay. No, still
connection has failed. Okay, so
what?
On your side, connection has failed.
On my side it says connection has failed. That's because maybe I'm gonna do it again. Are you still running it?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe it's because it's actually 1 second. Keep running it, please. Thank you.
Sure.
I get it. I'm an idiot. I am a stupid idiot. What was happening was it was still connecting, so the status didn't show up as connected, but it also didn't show up as failed. It was just still connecting. So I should just wait for a bit and then check it. I'm just gonna do that in process because fuck efficiency. We're just gonna do this every frame.
Fuck efficiency.
Fuck efficiency.
Premature optimization is the root of all evil.
Oh, yes, it works.
What?
You're still running it, right?
Yeah, I'm running it all the time.
Okay, could you stop running it?
Okay, killing it.
You're not running it anymore?
Nope, I've just stopped it.
Hello? Yes, it works. It works.
Huh.
Nice. Okay.
And I fixed the split screen. Actually, there's room for our cameras. Maybe for a future stream, an idea. Yeah, that's better now. Like someone could actually watch our both screens and see what you are doing, what I'm doing. I guess the loss of resolution isn't that bad of a problem.
Okay, so maybe have you implemented jumping yet?
No. Okay. You want jumping? Okay.
Yes, just don't even focus on moving around. I just want to check if jumping works.
Okay.
And if you can call jumping from a distance, because it's really simple. You just press spacebar and it should jump.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna...
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna stash these changes. So
jump. If
could you reset the port number to 9999 again?
Yeah.
Okay.
999. Sorry. That's just automatic.
Ik wil Polen.
I can't
Sorry, that's
control
a
it.
Dutch joke.
Okay, if action is just pressed, move, jump. Oh. Then velocity dot y plus equals. No, it not plus equals jump velocity.
Okay, that's fine. That's good
And
enough. Like, we can now double and triple jump, but that's not a problem. We
yeah,
just want
yeah.
to see-
Like ground checking comes later.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm
Who
just
needs physics anyway?
nah. Okay, doesn't work.
What's your jump velocity?
Of course, I'm not
Maybe
calling it.
The jump velocity is like the wrong way.
No, I'm not calling the function jump. Like, this is what I learned. Like, separate every single step into a function, and in the physics process, just call every single step. It's way easier to debug. You can
Okay.
comment and disable every step.
But now you should like yeet into space because you're constantly jumping, right?
No, it works. But the velocity is way too low. I'm gonna make it 600. Actually,
Aren't you?
yeah. Now we are noticeably jumping. Okay, it's a
Okay.
bit high. I'm gonna make it 400.
And when you press the jump button, could you do an RPC call that makes it jump?
Okay. I think I'll need to do all of these as an RPC call, or maybe I could aggregate them in a single function, like...
No, you only have to do the jump as an RPC call. Oh, for now, only do the jump as an RPC call. We do the rest later. Okay?
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm looking at your screen right now.
Okay, so the jump function is setting the velocity if the input is correct. So you want me to...
Okay, so you'll probably want to change that. You'll want to have a jump function that is called when the button is pressed. Because otherwise it's not really possible to do an RPC call.
Okay, so I think we'll need to change the architecture of how this is actually processed.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna check.
That's why we should like test this early, because it has impacts on how things work.
That's why I thought it's gonna be good if we develop this with networking in mind and not just as an afterthought. Oh, now let's add networking. Nope.
Yep. Get
not
ready
gonna
to
work.
rewrite everything.
Yeah, this is how I did it in single player games. Now I see.
So you can just when you get the callback, you can just change the velocity and then update whenever the physics process gets there, right?
Oh, I don't understand.
Well,
okay, so maybe I will commit this, and maybe you can try it and show me what you mean, because I'm not sure.
I'll just commit it and I'll do some work on it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, but I also need to add...
Yep.
Because they won't work without each other.
Yeah.
Okay, pushing should be done now.
Okay. I hope it is. 1 second. Go. Okay.
Nah.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, I'm watching what you're doing because I'm not sure.
Is this legible? Or should I zoom in?
No, I can read it very well.
You can read it. Okay. Yes. Walk. I'm not gonna do this. So the jump function is from now on only going to be called if this action is pressed. So I'm going to do go to invent physics process ready. I'm gonna do a actually no, I'm gonna do a input event and then if
Ah, yeah, that's
event dot
way better.
is action pressed.
Actually, just pressed. For jump use, just pressed.
Okay.
So it doesn't re-trigger
yeah.
when you hold the key.
Oh yeah, is just
is action just pressed?
Is action
Oh, what the
I'll
hell?
try. Just pressed.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh wait, you're doing if event. Aren't you looking for if input dot?
I'm gonna just do this, right? And then I'm gonna remove this bit.
All right.
I'm just going to try this.
Okay.
First as a server, just locally. Yes, I'm a server. Nice. Okay.
You should fall to the ground slowly.
No, not happening. Let's see.
Oh, it's called twice in physics process. It's also called, so it's jumping all the time.
Yes. Stop.
So you've
okay,
been
there we go.
rocketing.
I was
into
just
the space.
yeeting into space at like the speed of sound.
Now we should see. Yeah, okay, you're
jump.
falling.
Oh,
it
very
works.
nice. Very nice. Let's hold jump. Holding jump does still work, so you don't need the is action just pressed. I'm holding spacebar right now.
Oh.
So you don't need that actually.
That's interesting.
I think. Yep. And as you can see, I can double jump. But, and here comes the fun part. I'm going to make this an RPC call. RPC. And it's going to be jump and no arguments like that. I hope this works. It doesn't work.
But the debugger doesn't say anything.
What?
The debugger didn't say anything.
No.
I would suspect something.
Yes.
An error.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's comment this out. Jump.
It works.
Yeah. Okay.
What did you
no,
change?
I changed it. Let's see. Am I using RPC correctly? Probably not. Otherwise, it would work. Variant RPC. String methods.
Isn't it called? Oh.
Appears on the network and locally, optionally sending all additional arguments as same node path. Methods are not exposed to. Okay. Methods are not exposed to RPCs by default. Are set.
Need to specify it
yes, I need to specify that. Are set. Remotely change the property on. No.
No, you do this with a keyword before the function name, like remote, function walk, or local.
I'll try that. 1 second. Remote. Oh. Here. And. Yes, it works. Okay. Now, I'll push it.
Yes.
I'll push it. This is going to be so cool.
Now we'll be able to jump at the same player.
Yes, and we can like wrestle control over the player. No, I need to.
Actually, that could work for a pinball game. Like you just mash the keyboard.
Yep. That we're jumping. Get push.
think there should be some way to set up some SSH keys for GitHub so you don't have to type this username and password every time.
Yeah, probably.
But I failed to do
It's
that.
pushed. It's pushed.
Okay.
So
Pull in.
if you could pull,
It just it worked.
did you pull?
Yes.
Are you running it?
I have just loaded it. I'm running it. I have fallen to
Okay.
the ground.
Yes, I'm running it too. Can you jump?
I did. Okay, it doesn't transmit.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna add some.
Maybe we need to.
No. Wait a second. I need to do some debugging because I did change some stuff. There we go. There we go. Okay. Are you still running it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, sorry. I just run it now.
Oh, that's weird.
I wonder if you committed everything. Could you open your player sh player GD script? Because I think I have.
Okay.
Are you calling it the jump with RPC?
I think oh, dang it. I'm an idiot. I'm a freaking idiot. Right, I had changed that, but it.
Okay, I changed this on my side too
now.
Oh, okay. You're jumping on my side.
I was?
You jumped my player.
Oh, yes! Okay. You're running, right? Okay. Yeah. Wait. Can you jump? Yes!
I jumped
You jumped on my side!
And you jumped mine.
Okay, I'll jump. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. It works, but it works.
That's amazing.
Like.
It's like if I jump on my end. 1 second. Could you stop?
Yeah, I jumped.
Okay. If I jump on my end. Oh.
So weird.
I didn't jump on my end now.
Yes, it jumps on my end.
But it doesn't jump on my end. Oh, now it's jumping on my end. It has a lot of latency.
No. It's not that much latency, I think. But
yes, on your end, because you're the server.
But
okay, don't touch anything. Okay.
I think it's somehow, for some reason, it's only calling the function on the remote peer, not on the local one.
Okay, so I'm not touching anything now. Can you press spacebar?
Yep.
Okay. Did you jump?
No.
Oh. Okay. Then I understand how it works. I get how it works. We have to call the RPC and the jump itself.
Okay. I wonder. All right.
I'll do some debugging to make sure.
Just tried it.
Okay.
That could be the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, now it jumps on both sides.
Yes. Let me it jumps. I just put a print statement there, and it only jumps once. So this is the correct way to do it.
What did you do? Could you
I made a print statement in the jump function, and that just prints jump in all caps. And it only does it once. If it does it twice, then I know I did it wrong, but it only prints once.
Okay,
so it's nice.
That's a good thing. Okay,
yeah.
I thought that the RPC command is going to execute it locally and remotely.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Maybe there is this RPC mode.
It does say that in the documentation.
I believe it should be able to...
It says, sends a remote procedure call request for the given method to peers on the network and locally. Optionally sending all additional arguments as arguments to the method called by the RPC. So...
Okay, I think changes the RPC mode given to the method to given mode. There is annotating methods and properties with the corresponding keywords. Remote, master, puppet, remote sync, master sync, puppet sync. Okay, we're using the remote keyword. I think we need to use something else, probably like remote sync.
Well, we don't have to. I think it's probably more stable if we can separate the calls that we make locally from the calls that we make to the other person. Then we'll have more control over things like rubber banding and stuff like that. Because otherwise, you'll always send everything to everyone. right?
Well, no, because like I. Hmm. The thing is, I think we can overload the same functions with different versions, so we can like define jump to be
Yeah.
the version that will be remotely executed, and a different version that will be locally executed. And with one call, then you execute both. But different versions on remote peers and different version of the local peer. I think that's.
Oh, it's an RPC mode for the method.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so fancy.
Every method can. We could try that actually. Like maybe make this walk. Or maybe.
Okay, maybe can I change some stuff and then push it? So, and can you stash your changes and then pull?
Yeah, I think I don't have anything.
Okay, can you stash your changes? Then I'll just commit and push some stuff.
All right.
Okay. Yes.
Git stash.
And then in game. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this stuff.
Yeah, I think this is. I read some tutorial about this in the Godot. Can you make a level while we wait? Maybe I could even make a procedural texture. That can be all I want.
Okay.
Found a way to glitch the CSG code.
Okay, and that's it. And git add all git commit.
The CSG stuff gets me nostalgic because this is how you made levels in Unreal and Unreal Tournament.
Okay, it's pushed.
Ooh.
Wow.
I will.
I'm surprised at how well this works. Like it's Godot just makes everything so easy.
I'm gonna save my level design experiments. Maybe I will also split the level into its own scene, so I can like it's gonna be a bit easier to manage. Yeah, let me do that. Code level. Okay. Ah. I keep typing GTI instead of Git. It's because of the keyboard layout. pushing this, if I can type correctly. Ah, of course I know. Do you think this is readable? This kind of split screen? Maybe I should make your screen bigger.
What you think? What is readable? Sorry.
The split screen.
I think it's good enough. It's. I think it's kind of a pity because there's so much unused space. But otherwise,
yes.
I mean,
but there is no way to make it optimized better. I don't think. Unless
well, you could change the aspect ratio.
Yeah, but that's gonna make the text hard to read and everything else really difficult to understand. All right, I'm gonna edit the level separately then. I have pushed, so could you pull?
Very nice. I'll pull. Very nice. Quit, please. Thank you.
Huh. I think it's not perfectly working. Something is broken. What I'm gonna do. Huh. Okay, I see problems with the CSG. It's a bit glitchy.
Yep, topology is hard.
I wonder if I can maybe change the... well now. Now that's not good. I should... Oh. Huh, interesting. Changing the order of operations sometimes helps. Oh.
Or it just fucks it up in a different way.
That could also be the case. Hey, I think I can fix it by fixing the order of operations. It looks good now. I think I fixed it.
Nice.
I wanted to make a level where there is some verticality and you can jump around.
Maybe you could try implementing movement.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Like before you make a level where you have to move around, it's kind of nice to be able to move in the first place.
Yeah, it's a little bit. It's a little bit good. I'm gonna save this level and push it to you. right, it's done. Let's focus on the player now. Oh yeah, actually I will reset the transform in the player scene because that's a bit silly. And just transform him instead inside of the level. By the way, there is an interesting node called Position 3D. It's basically an empty, and it doesn't do anything. It just marks a position. So that's perfect for like marking spawn points for players.
Don't you mean just spatial?
No, it's something else. It's called Position 3D.
But what is the difference between that and spatial?
I think it's a little bit like cut down so it doesn't. And also it has like a nice icon so you can clearly tell this is just to mark a position in space. So I think this.
Oh, okay. I see it in the description. Generic 3D position hint for editing.
Yeah, I guess it's just going to be a bit easier to. So how about this networking? We use RPC to call remote functions, and we call the functions directly and like call everything twice.
Yeah, we call everything via RPC and just via the local method.
Okay. I'm gonna make the movement work locally first, and then we'll make sure it works remotely too.
Yeah, and make sure it's not like, make sure that if you have like a jump function or a move function, that it actually moves instead of just checking the inputs on the fly.
Yeah, I am not sure how to deal with this walk direction then.
Just add it. And then maybe at the end you can normalize. Or maybe you can just compute the walk direction in the input function and then pass it as an argument to the function.
Yeah, but then
because then it's easier to actually normalize, because if you have like, if you press two directions at the same time and they're orthogonal, then by the Pythagorean theorem you get a like longer distance, and thus you can walk faster diagonally.
Yeah, so that vector needs to be normalized because I don't want to allow such abuse. Like,
yeah, otherwise you get like
bug
Doom
some
speedruns
games.
in where they run the entire thing diagonally.
Yeah, it's have been done a lot, and
Yeah.
I wonder if this is going to provide me change it in place or just, well, let's check. No, it doesn't. Yep, now it's normalized.
Nice.
So you can never walk faster than you can walk. I'm gonna mute that for a while. Huh. This is a bit difficult for me because maybe I should check this in process, because I need to be able to like check this actually every frame, because if I only check on input, then I would need to like keep a bunch of booleans around and just with every input event see what key was that, was it up or was it pressed or released, and change these booleans, and then in a different function and process.
Why would you need to do that?
Because in input I will get separate inputs for everything, and I don't know. Maybe I'm overcomplicating it. Maybe I'm just imagining it wrong. Maybe if I just move this code to input, it's gonna work. try. What could go wrong?
What's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that could happen? Yes. Oh, I know what's the worst.
It was bad.
I know it's gonna like slam every frame, or I don't know. I think I just have to release. No, that code wasn't just. It's not gonna just work if I just move it here. I need to do something else. Okay, now I think I understand. You see, I made a little well so we can jump down the well. Once I code jumping and walking.
Yeah.
And everything else. Okay. Ah.
Well, that's pretty nice.
What?
The well. It's
Thanks.
well, that's pretty nice. Get it?
Well.
The well is pretty nice. Sorry.
I am I am not entirely sure what the pun was, but I am pretty sure there was a pun.
You said that you made a well that you can jump down.
Yes.
So I said, well, that's pretty nice.
It's cool.
Okay, that took a while.
Yes.
Well, that took a while.
Oh dear. Oh, now I wonder, how do I not replace everything but just the things that are selected? Oh, that's how. Cool. Now I just add a -1 to all of that, and it should freaking work, I guess. If not, we have a problem. Whatever.
Have you normalized it? Oh well, you can do that later, actually.
Yeah, I think I should do that later. I'm just gonna.
Oh, you already normalized it. Well, that I
Yeah.
see the line over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna normalize it in print. Now, I think this should be called every frame.
What?
The walking function, the evaluation of the movement vector, because basically every.
Oh yeah, that's true. You probably got to do that in the physics process.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna call RPC walk. I wonder if it's gonna like, because is that gonna like execute? When is that gonna execute? Because physics process and, I'm not sure.
Let's just have it work simple for now, and then maybe try to make it more advanced later on.
Oh. Right, it doesn't seem to.
The RPC only calls remotely.
Yeah.
Oh, you also called walk itself. Okay,
Yes,
then I don't understand.
But okay, for some reason it's 0. Basically, the input doesn't seem to register anything.
Do you reset the walk direction at the beginning of the input event, or at well?
No, it shouldn't reset at the start, because then, I mean, I don't.
Oh, I get what you're doing. Yeah. Okay.
I'm just
Go
checking
on.
if.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Press a key. If we release a key, I reverse the effect on the walk direction, and that should provide us with a situation where we have what we had.
Nothing happens.
Yeah, but nothing happens. So
yeah,
maybe I will like. No, maybe I'll just disable.
Maybe you could
the code and see if I don't know. Maybe it just neutralize itself immediately. No.
Maybe you could check, make a print statement in the event thing. Just print the event and then check what happens.
So I'm gonna. Oh, it doesn't print at all. It's like event event is not.
Maybe it should be input underscore event. Maybe I think I may have
It's not even
input
called
underscore
event. It's called
input underscore.
The function is called input.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That
It's not called event.
event. Okay.
All right. That's now. Yeah. Also, we have mouse events. Yeah, that's good. We can use that in a while to implement mouse look.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna keep this.
Now.
You know what? I would love to maybe put a debug label so we can have this print on the screen without clogging the output. What do you think?
Yeah. But now you can test walking because now we know what went wrong.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. All right. Let's do that. Let's try if we have this vector as we hear. Okay.
Yay.
Wow,
Okay.
it works.
Can we try it maybe networked?
Yeah, but
could you push it?
It's not affecting the movement at all right now.
Yeah, but it can still affect the print.
Okay.
Right? Can you push it?
Yeah, but you know, if I just add 2 lines, it should already also move the player, so that could be fun.
Okay, you just whatever you want. I like testing like every time there is something to test because it's always better to catch something early.
It's basically this.
Yeah. And then now the fun thing is going to be if we both walk into a certain direction, we can walk twice as fast. Actually, no, we can't because you normalized it. That's true.
Oh yeah, that's not gonna.
Actually, yes, you can. Actually, never mind.
Actually, I'm just gonna push this now because this is a bit more complicated than I thought. I forgot how I did this.
I told you.
Yeah. Easy does it. I think I'm gonna add all because I changed a lot of stuff.
Fine. You
Fuck.
You did it again.
Yes. Okay. Actually, the best way to do something like that would be to have a third person who would have like a VNC connection to both of us and who would mix the video on the go, like switch sources and such.
Yeah.
Or we could maybe program something that would like detect who is talking or who is moving the screen more and switching on that behalf based on that.
Yeah, I don't know. It sounds like something that's possible, but that like will actually make use of every excuse to not work.
Yes.
Right. So go. And I am going to. Are you running the server?
Nope.
Maybe you could run it? You're running it?
Okay, movement kind of works. It's
okay.
I mean, what if you press a key? Forward, back, and such. Okay, it doesn't. It works on my side.
Okay, I found a little glitch with your idea. This adding of factors doesn't really work when it's all normalized. Because if you walk diagonally and then let go, like try it.
Oh,
like
I something up.
Okay, yeah. Just walk diagonally and then let go.
Oh, shite.
See? This
But
is
it's not. It's not the normalization. You know.
yeah, because when you normalized it, it actually changed the length. So then when you actually subtract it again, then you end up at a point that is not the origin. Get it?
Oh wait. Yes, I should never reassign this. I should only work on a copy.
Yes.
Okay, that's the problem. All right. You are very right about this.
Yes, I have experience in the field of being right.
Um, okay. Let's restart that. Wow. Freaking heck, it works. The walk velocity is super slow. I'm gonna ramp that up and see. Okay, that's a bit more. Okay, the jump is not high enough to actually reach the platform, but you can triple jump, so whatever.
Okay. Could you stand still?
Yep.
Just stand still? Yes? Okay. I'm gonna try something weird. Yes. One
Oh,
second. I'm going to try. Keep it there. Keep it there. Don't do anything.
okay, I'm not touching anything.
Okay. Yeah. No, I can't control you from my end, but you probably have to push. I was trying if I could control your movement from my end, but
Okay,
probably too early.
yes, I will push this now.
Okay.
We're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
I should type slower. Okay, it's pushing. It's good that you see the live stream chat because I just lost the the browser somewhere and don't know what's going on with it. It's there. You can pull. Oh, you did.
Yeah, I got it. I already got it.
Okay. Uh, I think the next step would be to implement mouse look because that's probably
Yep.
the biggest missing step. Oh,
Okay, I
I
can
want to
move.
run the game and see if you can actually control my player.
Yes. Okay. Um, you're gonna run as server, right? Okay, I'm gonna
I think
run
I
as
do.
the client. Are you running?
Yep.
Okay.
Can you jump me?
I'm getting some errors, but
Oh,
yes. Okay. One
all
second.
right. I didn't define the function as callable remotely. Okay, so walking wouldn't work, but jumping? Okay, you can jump me. All right.
Okay.
I just need to make the
Do that.
walk function be possible to call from remote. I'm also going to remove the player direction because it's really going to mess up. Okay. You could probably do the same because that's a very simple thing. Just pushing
Yeah,
it's going to take more
but
time.
then we'd have to. Okay, I'll just do the
Okay.
same. It's probably the easiest.
You know.
And motion. There. Okay. You're gonna be the server again.
Yep. Okay, whatever.
Tell me when you're running.
I am here.
Okay. Do you see movement?
No, it doesn't move.
No movement? Okay, I'll try jumping.
Yep, that works.
That works, but no movement.
Nope.
Okay.
I wonder I think I know what's going on. The walk direction is not being set remotely.
Yes. You need to pass that as an argument.
No,
Otherwise, it.
Or we could, of course. Oh yeah, we could just do it as. Oh yeah, that's gonna probably be easier to just pass it.
Yes.
As a parameter for the walk function.
Okay, I'll test my changes, and then you can do your thing.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna see if that didn't break anything on my local side. No, it doesn't seem to work locally, so I'm gonna. Okay, it's pushing. Done.
Okay.
I can already start as a server.
Yes.
Oh, you're restarting the editor?
Yes.
Oh.
For some, like the Steam version has some weird quirks. It also like freezes very often. Maybe I should just download it for myself, but not now.
Yeah.
Okay. You're running, right?
Yep.
Okay. Do you see this?
Nope. Doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Okay. Maybe you could like put a print statement in the move.
I can't jump you. Now I'm jumping.
Oh no! I know. Let's
Maybe
change
you're
something.
A server. Yeah.
I was the server, yes, because I pulled from you.
Maybe
okay.
Push a print in the.
Can you see this?
Nope.
No.
Oh, I jumped.
Can I jump you? Oh.
Yeah, you can.
Can you? You can't move me.
Cannot. Moving, walking doesn't work. Jumping does work.
Okay.
Something is still not.
Take a look in the player.
Oh, you know what?
No, the motion function. Oh, the motion function still isn't remote.
Yes, but it doesn't. I think it doesn't.
The walk function is.
Because motion only like.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. The walk function is remote, and then come on.
It only executes.
It gets called
has been done
here, and it uses an RPC call. And
maybe we can print.
Uses the argument walk direction. Oh, you're doing variable shadowing. Don't do that.
Nope.
That's your problem. The argument of the walk function is walk direction, but you also have a variable called walk direction, and it's using that.
Okay. I'm also gonna do static typing. Just to be sure, like it helps.
Do you understand the problem?
Yeah, I have the same name.
Okay.
Walk direction. Yep. Oh, there is another, or is there? The walk velocity is also a local but no, it's local to the function, so that shouldn't be a problem. The velocity is okay. I think it should work now.
Okay.
I think I need to push it to your side.
You don't have to, because it. I should be able to move you.
All right.
Probably. Are you running it?
Yes.
Do you see this?
Nope.
No. Okay, then maybe you should push it. And maybe also before you push, put some debug statements. Oh, you can jump me. Put some debug statements in the move function to see that it's actually called, and also debug the movement.
Walk? You mean the walk
Walk
function?
direction. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now it prints. Okay, it prints the unnormalized vector of walk direction. Okay, that should kinda at least show us if it's cold. If it's
And also the argument. Print the argument also.
Yeah, it is printed.
Okay, good. Have you pushed yet?
No, I will do that now. Okay, going, and it's pushed.
Okay.
Yep. Maybe I will restart it just to be sure. So I'm going to check if I'm a server. I am.
Yes. Are you running?
Yes. I'm running the game, I mean. Ha! That's interesting. I see your moves being actually like propagated because I see prints, but I don't see movement.
And that's I see. I see like half of them propagating and half of them are still 0. Could you move? Oh yeah, I can see it. I can see it on my end.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Oh yeah, it's because probably it's because I wonder if this isn't the problem of that we're trying like to like send conflicting messages to steer the same player. No, for some reason it gets the print, but it doesn't actually affect the movement. So why is that?
It does set the walk velocity, but then it gets overwritten by the walk velocity of the own loop. So it actually works. We just have to split the player for a different one for each player. We have to make multiple players, and then it will work.
Right. Maybe we could just disable control, like, I don't know, make a simple boolean that we can change. For example, I don't know, if I disable local...
No, I can do that for you. 1 second. Save. Yes. I'll do that on my end, and then you can test it. If I'll just not have any walk enabled like this, and you're still running, okay? Are you running?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you running? Why
move.
Are you running?
Oh, you moved.
It works.
It works. It works.
Okay. Now I want to see if it actually loses anything, but can we actually if I do some complex movement, will I end up in the same place on your side?
Probably not.
I did. I mean,
you did.
It looks
exactly
the same. Okay.
That's pretty impressive.
No, it's slightly different. It's very slightly different, but it's pretty close. Okay, so yeah, of course, we would constantly transmit
match positions. Yes.
And update it via RPC unreliable or RSet unreliable.
Yes.
However, there's something else. I think there's an option to like high level just sync the properties of nodes. Is that you set master and set puppet for the nodes, I think. Like there's even higher level way to do that than just manually like transmitting this.
Yeah, I'll check it. 1 second.
I can work on the movement right now.
Yeah. Sure, go ahead. You could also work on having like multiple players and 1 player for each connection. Or actually, I could do that. You can work on movement.
I'm gonna work on mouse look. Okay, I'm gonna use this code just and reference it. Oh, that's rubbish. Yeah, that's... Oh. Okay, that's really rubbish.
I see. The remote keyword means that the RPC call will go via network and execute remotely, and the remote sync keyword means that the RPC call will go via the network and execute remotely, but will also execute locally. So if you that explains the behavior.
So if we switch remote to remote sync, we can remove the regular local call of the functions.
Yes, we could, but I recommend not doing that actually, because I think for things like movement, we would like to keep control, like fine-grained control over how it behaves in case of, for instance, like network failure or unreliable networks.
Damn. change that? Oh, looks like they changed that. Hmm. That's weird. Should... Oh. Hmm. Doesn't fucking work. Why? Invalid get index type. What? Okay, looks like I have to just brute force this via a bunch of prints. Are you there, by the way, Jon?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. Yeah, for some reason I just don't. Event. Hmm. Okay, that's weird. I wonder why can't I get this relative motion mouse movement, because there is such a thing. Oh, I think I may know why. Input. Get. Oh, maybe it's like this.
No, I don't think so.
Why does that?
Could you just try printing the event?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay.
Identifier. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. I just. What?
And there's a dot. There's a dot. Remove the dot. There.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
See?
Finally, yes. All right. Oh my goodness, that took way too long. All right. So now basically.
You need to add the camera to an empty object.
We could do that.
Actually, maybe. Well, I'm not 100% sure. No, actually, you don't.
We could rotate.
You
the
can
player.
just rotate the camera itself and rotate the
Yeah.
player. Yeah, that's fine.
It's gonna be simpler. I know that there have been implementations that did that, but I don't really see the need now.
Yeah, I get it. This is probably the best for now.
Okay, now we need to make a function, like define our mouse sensitivity.
Mouse sensitivity. Mouse sensitivity.
Sensitivity. Okay, it is what it is. You could call it 1.0, so let's float. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and now what we do is we rotate the player along the Y. Yes. And we do this by. Oh, I know. Actually, I will do this.
Why doesn't event dot relative work? Why do we have to use indexing?
I don't know. It didn't.
That should work. Like,
yeah.
I mean, do this, but I'll check this when it's done.
I know it should work, but it could not get that to work at all, and I just thought, well, then screw it. Times mouse sensitivity, and that's in degrees. So I probably should like also do this. Now,
why would you do that?
Just to reduce the values.
You're actually increasing the values. You're converting radians to degrees. Like 1 radian is like 40 degrees or something.
Oh.
Like I recommend just multiplying by a sensitivity value.
Yeah, I guess that's right.
Actually, 1 radian is far more than 40 degrees. Never mind. But it's a lot of degrees. It's like hot.
No, that should be XZ. Okay, now I need to define camera. And camera is gonna be already var.
On read var.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Now, where is it? Where is it? Okay. I probably should do something like. Now it maybe do something. No, it doesn't do anything. Oh, interesting. Okay, then let's maybe make it. Oh, now it does.
Yeah,
something.
well, the reason it didn't work was you were dividing integers. You're dividing integers. You have to do 1.0 divided by 10.
Okay.
1.0 divided by 10. That should work. 1.0 divided by 10. If you're dividing integers, then Godot will think you'll want to round the end result.
Oh yeah, that's the basis.
And as you can see, you're also
Wrong
rotating
axes
around the wrong axis. The player should rotate around the Z axis, I think, because Z is up,
no, Y is up.
right? It's
Yeah,
Y
yeah.
up. Okay, then Y is correct, but then
That should be probably. Wait.
oh, then
Yeah,
I
is this
should
good?
self should rotate around the Y axis.
Yeah, and it's good. That's the player, and camera was wrong.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
it kind of works.
Yeah, but you'll have to lower the sensitivity probably,
And also like reverse.
and you also have to cap the rotation.
Yes. Goodness. That's so weird. Also, I want to reverse this because it's
Nice.
okay. It's starting to look like mouse look. It's not good yet.
Yeah. Okay, and also you should separate the actual looking part into a separate function so that we can do RPC calls on it. Just a reminder.
Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, flip. Do you want me to push this now?
Sure.
No idea.
And then I can work on it for a bit. GTI push.
Yay. I finally didn't mistype that. Yay. Okay.
Okay,
There's a
got it.
lot of things to do with that mouse look. It's whoa, it's bad.
Yes.
I think I have a good idea how to actually fix that.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on it now.
You want to work on the mouse look?
Yes, I want to work on the mouse look.
Okay.
Okay. So
I'm gonna make it a walking. Take the rotation
walk,
into
jump,
account.
and this, those in there.
Phi. Phi is radians, right?
Phi is a letter of the Greek alphabet. It can represent a value that is in radians, but
Okay.
I really don't know.
Yes, that's
Probably radians, since they're using Greek. Whoa, that's one really high sensitivity. Yeah,
okay. What I've done now is that walking always walks forward relative to where you look, not.
oh, that's also nice. Thank you. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
So I will
Real
just
nice.
push it now. Because it was yeah.
Okay, so you were also working in player.gd.
Yes.
I hope that they don't get merge conflicts then. Well, I mean, I didn't do a lot of stuff, but
I hope so.
yes. Walk, jump, look. Sensitivity. Let's divide by 300.
I think this reverse way of setting it is more intuitive than just trying to fiddle with decimal points. I've pushed. You can pull.
Okay, I'll try. Damn it.
Dag, nabbit,
Nugget,
dang,
nabbit.
nugget, dabbit, nugget, daggit.
Pull. Will pull work? Okay, okay, that worked. Nice. It did the merge. It merged successfully. And status. Nice. Okay. Yes, that works. I'm gonna make it capture the mouse. And I'm doing that in game. Yes, now the mouse is captured, so that's nice.
Oh yeah, that's goes.
Yeah, I did that. Don't also do that because then we get merge conflicts. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm going to move the camera a little bit down so like the rest of the player isn't like blocking the view.
It's probably a good idea.
Yeah. So I can actually look down.
Did your screen resolution change?
No, it didn't.
That's
It
weird.
has always been this wide.
Because now something changed. But it's probably something on my side. Okay, maybe that should work a little better.
Okay. Yes. And I'm gonna work on actually constraining the
Oh, I just realized I
value.
was half muted all the time. Could
Oh?
you even hear me?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's weird. You should hear me better now.
I can hear you a little bit better, but not like a whole lot.
All right. Weird.
Come on.
Yeah, I think we'll also have to move this outside. Okay, maybe I'll work on something else to not collide.
To wiesz, zjedz sałatkę, proszę.
Zjem.
Jeszcze streamujesz?
Mhm.
Ale ktoś to już ogląda? Mogę zobaczyć? A
Okay,
na którym
that's
kanale?
that figured out.
Na którym kanale?
Drugim, oczywiście.
To dobrze. And hello, Kasia.
Yes.
Hello, Kasia.
A nie.
I on ci mówi hello.
Hi. Sorry, I just read the chat. And that's why. Wziąłem już lek nasenny.
O.
I've
Niks lekker
uh,
zenden.
W, Umfa, I've
Yes.
noticed another problem with your code.
Yeah.
When you're standing on a surface, your vertical velocity does not get reset. So if you walk off a surface after having standed on it for a while,
Oh yes.
you kind of
Shoot down.
yeet yourself down at the speed of sound.
Yeah.
And I clamped the value, and also it just uses the not indexing but just the relative, and I'll make sure that it uses RPC calls as well.
Oh, I'm silly. I just broke something. Or did I? I think I didn't. Actually, I didn't. No, I did.
Oh, you're very quiet. You're very, very quiet.
Oh, sorry.
You're back again.
Yep.
Okay. I'll push this, and then should have. Okay.
Yeah.
So. Okay. Let's try it. Can
Should
you
I-
run as the server? I
should I-
pushed it, by the way, so you'll have to
Oh,
pull.
alrighty. Too many windows. I should stash? No, I didn't do anything. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna run it. Oh, wow. Yeah, the sensitivity is low.
Oh.
But
Well,
it
it's
works. It actually is like...
okay. Are you running
possible
it?
to move. Yeah.
Okay, I'm running it too now. Can you? Oh, yes, it works.
Wow! You made the mouse look work.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, just do nothing. Do nothing. See?
Oh, yes! That's so cool.
See? That's amazing.
Wow, that is amazing.
Are you standing on top of the like chimney or well or something?
No, because when you connected, I was already in a different place. So
okay. Restart. Just restart.
yeah.
We'll check how well it works.
Okay. I just started.
Yes. Okay. Let's go. And?
It didn't move the same way.
Oh.
I think walking.
So where are you? 1 second.
Can you try walking? Because it makes me...
1 second. Do nothing. Don't do anything, please.
I don't do anything.
Okay. You're over there. Okay. 1 second. Let me just
It's
please just Godot, please. Thank you. Okay, let me just
okay. You restarted your game.
Yeah.
But I was in a different place already. So maybe I should restart.
But movement doesn't work.
Oh yeah.
For some reason.
Oh, I just moved my mouse, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Huh, interesting. Why? Because walking worked before, right?
Yeah, that's weird.
But if I walk... Okay, it doesn't affect you
I'm not
either.
walking right now.
Yeah. Also, an interesting thing is that On my side, I can see the player capsule model.
Oh no, I know why walking doesn't work. I had to turn off my own walking in order to have your walking work.
Ah, yeah.
So that makes sense. We'll just have to split us into 2 players.
Ah, yes. All right.
But
That's
this is amazing. It's just, can you move your mouse again?
yeah, and it's
Wow.
amazing because
It
it's so fast that like
Yeah, it's super responsive.
when you move it, it's like
Yeah.
it's immediately on my side, and it's
Yeah. Same here.
it's like if you were here and I then see super delayed video of you doing that. It's so cool. Woo! Yeah, I think we need.
Okay, well,
Oh,
I think I'm going to call it a day.
yeah. Let's maybe go to sleep now. But this is really cool.
Yeah. And it's amazing how easy it is.
Yeah, we just made this in like 2 hours,
Yeah.
and we you knew nothing about networking. I knew nothing about it. I knew something about movement, and you just learned it, and you just made it, and it works. I'm really amazed how you managed to figure out this networking stuff so quickly.
Well, I mean, most of the credit goes to the Godot engine, I think, because it's just it's so well made. It's just everything is so intuitive and so consistent and so well understandable.
That's really cool. Yeah. Maybe we can make another session tomorrow. So I might need to do some other things first. So I'll figure this out. I had a lot of fun doing this.
Me too.
Alrighty. If anyone would like to check out the source code of what we made.
The one person that is watching besides herself.
Who possibly is a bot or something.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
sorry,
possibly.
I don't. I'm gonna post the link in the chat if I can find it. My goodness, I really need to figure out how to not get lost in the windows, because I've been struggling with that same thing on my last live stream on my main channel. All right. Yeah, I think I'm ended the stream now.
Yep.
Hopefully someone will benefit from this. Maybe.